You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this expression that is quite commonly used in France, from French, meaning both. Les deux. Les deux mean the twos, essentially. So if somebody is asking you, do you want ketchup or mayonnaise, you can say both, in which case you say, I want the twos. Les deux. Les deux. Deux is French for two. Les is the article. Les deux. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.